Well, just a quick update. I've actually just been stopped in Salson Beach, just outside front of Salson Beach, play Fanabe area. Someone's asked me if I'm Tenerife Tez. Last time I seen Tez, I'm sure he had a good head of hair. Anyway, no offence, Tez, but I think you're a bit slimmer than what I am. So all the fella needed some more glasses. But yeah, I find it quite amusing actually. I think so, don't I? But anyway. Well, viewers, we're sat in the Prince Regent now, just right at the end of Salson Beach, having some liquid refreshment. Oh boy, that's amber nectar. Nice pint of Amstel. Just pan you around so you can see what Annette's beverages.
Cheers, wine and soda.
Well, I don't know what we're going to do for tea tonight, or evening meal. In a few ideas. We don't know if to go the sun in, but I think it's a tad too late, so we might have to ring those up. We might venture down towards the Winchester area down there, or beyond and go walking to Del Duque. We're actually sat, as you can see behind me, the Phoenix, and that's generally all right. And further down, you've got the Capri, the Koala, I think they pronounce it. Just span you around so you can see what we're up to, see what we're talking about down there. So it's a bit of a toss up on where we're going to go. But, anyway, we're going to take you along and see where we get up to, see what food is, and so we can give you a good review. But I know one thing: we're not. I think we're going to give the Gran Sol a miss tonight, aren't we? We had steak there last time. I think we've been there 2 or 3 times now, and same steak and service, everything. So there's not much change. So we can't really give a bit of a review on that restaurant. But we might have a further walk up to the right and just have a look and see what's up there. Good evening, viewers. We're just come back out of Salson Beach. We're in Fanabe and we're just about to go into the first excursions Tenerife shop. So you're going to have a look at the price, see what we get for La Gomera. There's loads and loads of tours and excursions, loads of them. Look at all of them. Loads of them. And for the younger people as well, you get the free bird. It's supposed to be a good excursion, that. And the catamarans. So here you've got the karting as well. Like that, and you've even got a nice comfy settee to sit down while you're making your choice.
Yeah, well, we live in originally.
We're just about going to the first excursion shop. No sign of Dan or Matty.
Oh, you don't know where you're going to find
No. Anyway,
Absolutely bloody
love it.
Well, the one we use, guys, it's the Fred Olsen one. It's every day apart.
Right, viewers, we just booked a nice excursion with Richie from your Tenerife First Excursions in Adeje, and he's got his coveted First at Greens Adventures pen.
Don't forget your thing.
Oh, he's got it. Oh, I forgot. He's got his bottle opener and his sticker. Right, thanks, Richie. And we will be visiting Chillbox and Banging very soon. Catch you soon.
Have a nice trip as well, guys.
Cheers, buddy.
Thank you.
Well, that's the trip booked and paid for. Now let's go and find something to eat. I think we're just going to go past the new jewellery shop and Matty and Caitlin's. So Permanella, we'll have a look here, see what's in. Annette might want fancy something. We'll have a look. Just pan you around so you can see where it is. Here we go. Have a look. Yeah, have a look there. Anyway, we've been in the Charm Bar, the shop, and been to see Shannon, and what a great personality, and what a great member of staff she is. Give us a wave, Shannon. We'll definitely be back to get the next one jewellery. Catch you soon, viewers.
What's happening?
How are you?
What's happening?
Nothing. Alright, yeah?
Yeah, you.
I'm okay, thank you. Big boy. You okay?
Spot on. Cheers,
You
buddy.
alright? How are you? Good, yeah?
Sam.
See you later.
Not very much eating now, it's very near.
No.
What we're doing, going that way.
Yeah, may as well, yeah. We'll have to get to the bottom, turn right, and see where this takes us. Look at that view out there, viewers. It'll be a nice sunset tonight. We're just going past La Tosca on the right, and in Tandoori Curry House on the left, and then we come on up to the Colonial. Let's get down to the bottom left, and you got the Tsar. It's pretty quiet in the Tsar tonight, and right at the end, and the famous Gran Sol. The Shisha's bar. Oh, look at that. No, lucky man. Have a walk up here, see what there is, and see what takes some fancy. Any favourites off anyone? Put a comments in the box. Let us know. It also helps other people choose as well and pick where they want to go if they see some good positive feedback. Well, I know we've done a vlog from here before, but this is it looks like it's a newly decorated, refurbished Gran Sol. And we've come here because we've just seen the view, and I'll just pan you around so you can see the view, what we've got tonight. Look at that for a view. Couldn't ask for anything better than that view, especially to have a nice meal with the rest of the Green's adventures. Annette, thumbs up there. I think she's looking for a favourite wine.
I found it.
Oh, you found it already, have you? Oh. We'll have a look, and once we've picked something, we'll go through the menus, and basically you've got quite a good choice actually. Really good choice. Starters, steaks, everything. Loads to go for. Vast choice, and very priced very good as well. It's not overly expensive, and basically you pay for what you get. But we've had steak here before, and this T-bone steak idea was cracking. It was brilliant, cooked to perfection. All right, what we'll do, we'll get some drinks, get some food ordered, and when the food arrives, we'll come back and let you have a look, see the presentation, what it's like. Catch you in a bit. Well, viewers, that's the drinks ordered and food ordered. Now, Ethan, what have you gone for, Eve?
The sirloins.
Ethan, believe it or not, he's only small. He's gone for the adult sirloin steak. You better eat it. And I don't know, what did Mum go for? Chicken. Oh, she went for chicken, and that did. And I've gone for the ribeye steak. We're going to give a bit of a view on this when it comes back, but we've had it before, and that's the reason we come back, because you couldn't fault it. Really nice. The table service has been second to none up to now as well. The waiter's been prompt with bringing the drinks and taking our food order. We'll just let you know and see how things go. I must admit, I've just noticed since coming back to this year to Gran Sol, The staff are very well turned out. Nice, all matching uniforms, and very professional as well. Well, starters arrived, and like I say, cannot disappoint. Look at these. Oh man, ribs. What did you get there?
Garlic mushrooms.
Garlic mushroom, look at that. I'm blown away. The size of this ribeye steak. My God, it's bigger than my dinner plate. Ethan's got a sirloin steak, and Annette's got. What have you got there? Fajitas. Just spin you around. Look at that. That is huge. And Ethan has got sirloin, and Annette's as well. Must admit, I think after this is going to be sleeping tackle. I think. Let you know how it goes.
Quite nice actually.
I asked for a steak, medium to well done, and it's done to perfection. Well, viewers, that was one hell of a steak. I'll just pan you around, and it's virtually gone. That's all that remains of it, and it's filled the gap. Ethan's steak, well, he's left his chips, but he's got rid of his steak. And Annette, well, what do you reckon? Is yours alright?
Lovely.
Brilliant.
Just too much peppers and onions.
Oh, is there? Well, all in all, I would, same as last year, Gran Sol, I would definitely recommend the steak, well worth a visit. The steak I had was the ribeye steak. They do a big one. But well, got a really good feed in Gran Sol, didn't we?
Yeah.
And
Lovely.
it was brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. If you want to come along here, definitely ask for ribeye steak. What do you want?
Fajitas this time, it was lovely.
And they do Estrella on draft. Bliss. Right, I'm going to go for a walk. I need to walk this ribeye steak off because I'm going to burst.
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit. Well, we have to. I'm going to walk back to Tenerife first excursions now because Ethan wants a day out in a Fiat 500. Well, let's see how much this is going to cost. First looking man we've seen. Is he coming? Is he going? Oh, is he coming or is he going? Don't seem to be in too much of a rush. Over there, you got the Colonial over there. Not bad.
If you've got over people at 10,
I think it's over 10, they charge you extra, so just be mindful of that. We had a bad experience, I think, last year with them. They couldn't wait to get you in, get you seated, and get you out. This hill doesn't get any better, does it? We're just walking. We're just walking past. What do you call that? If I can pronounce it, La Costa de Lagos, the Fanabe beach resort. This is where you can come out walking straight out your room into your pool, apparently. And you got the Thai spa Bali massages. Shut. Well, it's one of those. You quite knock at the door. Loads of supermarkets. Have you tried it here for P20? No. Well, There's a kebab shop in Fanabe. Supposed to be nice pizzas and kebabs in there. Quite a few excursion shops. Leonardo's. We've done a video in there. Nice steak. Oh. We're back here now. We'll see Richie.
It must be cold, he's got his jumper on.
Yeah. Are you waiting for us? Back again, Richie. I'm sure I've seen you somewhere before.
Oh yeah, I recognise you.
Right, just come out first excursions again for the second time tonight. And guess what? We've got another excursion. And Richie here is where he is. Ah, here he is. He's sorted us out again. So we got a boat this time. So let's see what Thursday brings. Speak soon. You what?
I thought someone had to come on with us.
You alright? Yeah? Yeah.
No.
We'll be back in one day this week into Hawaii, and I'm sure she'll sort us out with some nice steak again.
Thank you.
Alright, see you during the week.
See you later, yes. Yeah.
No, you're driving it, Ethan. Coming up to the Mega Bowl. I've never been here yet, but it's supposed to be a good night. Oh, I'm just going to a perfume shop, and we're going to have a look around and see what we've got. Men's perfume. We'll spin you around. Ah, here we are, men's. Is it men's? Ah. Tom Ford. A bit noisy outside, but let's have a look. It's all girls, I think. Men's, so look at that. Tom Ford. A lot there on Tom Ford. Don't know. Don't know where men's are, where's man's? Where's one? Eh? Oh, she's trying someone over there. Massive shop, this. Really busy shop. Loads and loads of perfumes and aftershaves to choose from. Perfume from Boss, Chloe for women, Gucci, Vinci, and I think the next looking at Jean Paul Gaultier. You alright? What do you think?
I don't like that one.
Eh?
I'm not sure. I've got this one though. I've got that
Think.
stand up.
Any good? How much you that one?
What?
That one you've just picked up.
Stand up. I've got that one. I tried that, but not.
Well, good.
No, I smell it.
It's beyond. Well, viewers, we've got an epic day and an epic night. We've been in the Gran Sol for something to eat. We've been up to the Tenerife excursions twice, and we've been into the perfume shop. And I've got 2 bottles of aftershave. I've got to get a net something, and Ethan wanted some aftershave, but I'll have to take it back tomorrow night. Don't make your mind up. Anyway, we're going to call it a night, and because I'm actually stuffed, I'm still going to walk that steak off. Anyway, hope you enjoyed today, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you soon.